Dancehall of a man at the moment right now, his name is Kaseeno.
Ah, Kaseeno! Watch out! Superman, you are made that sack. $1 million in a main knapsack.
I could kick it off the usual. Give me 3 words to describe Kaseeno musical style, and for those who are not familiar with the music as yet.
Lyrics, unique, different.
Well, I ask you, what's a different one? But we don't even have to ask. From we see Kaseeno, we know. How you get the name Kaseeno?
Kaseeno comes with the new song.
Yeah.
Right? It's a new brand. You know, I do a lot of thinking before.
And why you sick up on that name? Why you say, what about that name that make you say, yeah?
Because Kaseeno is a gamble for me, honestly.
Okay, so deep there.
You know?
Yeah.
So,
It have a meaning for you. You take a gamble with the thing and you look like you hit the jackpot.
put it all in it. Put it all. Well, the banker can't lose.
Me frightened because, you know, so when I first see what go on, I said that face look familiar. Where me know that face from? Maxi Billion.
Yeah.
And you did have a tune where everybody love that you're there for Magnum Kings and Queens. I'ma do other one they go again.
I'ma do this.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So one line they give out to the big hit song. We don't run from the big hit song where you didn't have
I don't really run from the big song.
Yeah.
You know, the past are the past.
Yeah.
I tend to carry the past in the future.
Yeah.
This is the future.
At what point you say, you know what, done with the billions? We're trying something new.
If you hear the name Kaseeno, you know, you would realize, you're not really done with the billions, you know.
Yeah.
If you are talking about money.
No, we're not talking about the money part. We're talking about the image part.
Alright, image-wise, no matter how blessed you write a song, people want you to catch them eye as you walk into a place. So I wanted everybody to see me.
So how you came to that realization?
This is just the information we gather by reading the streets and knowing what the street wants, the type of sound them are go for now. Them not into the rough voice there, to all of that. Them more in the smoother side.
Yeah.
You understand me? I say something to step into myself and just find what the world needs. And here I am.
I mean, obviously with the bleaching thing that people are going to compare, you have the comparisons with Cartel and...
I feel comfortable doing what me want, what me think is gonna work for me, what I think that this music need. You know, this character. You understand? And creating a character is not something where you just get up and do in one day.
Yeah.
You know, you have to go into a real mix. Even changing a voice from one range to the next. You know, you have to really do the work at home, do your own. So, you know, glad for you ticket because I do the one work and it seems like it right.
Everybody says you are wrong with us.
You see the Superman outfit and beard thing and a bag of thing. Why did you decide to go Superman?
Superman comes up because things have been through. Whole life process, you know, and being a survivor have so many different downfalls. Always bounce back. You know, you have to be Superman to do all of that. There's no way you couldn't be Superman. It's more than the years of today.
So this whole Superman image, the reason behind it have some type of a metaphoric symbolism for you?
Yeah. For me, it shows that I'm strong. Nothing can stop me. You understand? Only I can stop myself. Simple.
Talking about that bad song where you have to...
Baby come over for the perfect timing with him.
Like that?
Yeah.
Everywhere to play right
Why
now.
I say perfect timing, you know, Sanjay? The perfect timing is what you see is happening right here.
Yeah.
And no time beat God time.
That song there now, it have a whole heap of elements to it. It's nice, it have a nice melody, groovy, and it make me laugh when we hear it too. I said, I'm very up, man. But at the same time, what do you feel about people who might feel like you make light of a serious situation?
No, I'm not making light of a serious situation. All right, if you really look at what is going on now. And look at my son. It's reality.
We said some girl don't want to come over because they feel
No,
like you might get
because
corona.
not that she don't want to come over.
Yeah.
It's just that it's a curfew time.
Yeah.
And she don't want to get into trouble in some ways, and you have other people who don't want to come as close to you that you used to get a hug from. Them things they
Real
cut out, you know. You hardly find people that hug people anymore, you know.
Yeah.
So a lot of people out there were short of a hug right now.
Yeah.
And you know, say just one hug can save somebody.
Yeah.
Can bring them back into this world and make them see say somebody love them.
How you plan to follow up and stay consistent?
Right now, Shaitan Music is preparing a EP. You see, when the EP drop, then you hear the answer to your question.
What's the next step?
Like after the EP,
Yeah, so
there's a work with the floor right now, you know, anything Shaitan saying and that.
so putting out more singles, more visuals,
Yeah,
more just
yeah,
more work.
yeah.
I'm finding it on social media.
Alright, otherwise from Shaitan Music and Corey 104, right? It's Kaseeno 51.
Kaseeno, how you spell it Kaseeno?
Kaseeno 51.
That's a good one. Why you got 51?
Stamp.
Yeah, 51 stuff.
Yeah.
And Kaseeno, lastly I want you to tell me what's the most intense thing about Kaseeno?
And the only artist ever fly Jamaican people. What is?
Yo, Rich Move, Dancehall have a new face right now. You have a new face too. Kaseeno. There you go.